Hello YouTube, this is Matt from CasualRiders. As promised, in today's video, I'm going to be overfueling issues. I'm going to be replacing the petcock on the Bandit's fuel tank, so come wrench with me. Now I'm sure many of you were wondering why on earth I did not do this when I had my motorcycle disassembled, and in truth I should have, but the biggest thing was I didn't want to have to drain my fuel tank, because my fuel tank when I started working on the bike was actually too full. It's because I didn't want to drain the fuel tank or waste any fuel, because that stuff is like gold at the moment. Fuel prices keep going up like crazy in South Africa, and I was just not keen on having to empty the fuel tank and then top it up again. Like, I just didn't feel like that. That felt like too much admin for me. So instead I was like, yeah, you know, it's cool. I will totally just ride the bike, because I was also eager to get back on the bike, and I'll sort it out when I have low fuel levels in the fuel tank. So yeah, I guess my own delays, or procrastination if you want to call it that, in getting the work done caused the entire disaster that is visible in the previous video. So if you guys want to go check that out, it's pretty cool. I freaked out and I totally panicked when my bike caught alight, so go ahead and check that out. Do not lose the nut, whatever you do. I lost the nut, but it fell through, so it's fine. There it is! Cool. Really? My tank is still too full. Motorcycle hack number 1. Your fuel tank can stand upright like so. Yeah, check all that fire extinguisher powder. Yeah, it's everywhere. Yeah, and that extinguisher powder has gotten into my like gaps in my fingers, and it is burning. Need a lappy. Need a lappy. Here's a lappy right here. There's some of that fire damage there. So after all that, the only damage is a melted cable tie. Where'd I put the other spanner? Did I put it away? I wouldn't have, surely. Surely I would not have put away the other spanner. I didn't. So where did I put it? Menses, wat het ek daarmee gedoen? Ah, it's in my back pocket. One. The other one. I got a bad feeling about this. Yep, I do. Still too much fuel in here. Guess what? I had to drain the tank anyway. Let's see. I need another bottle. I'll be back.
I'm a scientist.
Feel is so warm, it's not even funny. Okay, well, that's gonna have to be it. That's all the space I have. Imagine if it's not enough fuel that's been drained. My luck, it's not. Where did I put this cap? Let's just go here, out the way. Yo, it's not leaking.
Now, what kind of a YouTuber would I be if I didn't take a couple of seconds to explain to you what exactly this thing is and how it works? This is the fuel valve, which sits at the bottom of the fuel tank. Over here you can see the little vacuum nozzle, and this is where the vacuum tube, which is connected to the carburetor, gets attached to. This here is the fuel outlet valve. This is where the fuel flows from before it goes through to the carburetors. So this here is the actual valve diaphragm, and you can see from the spring that the vacuum nozzle that is connected in this vacuum chamber actually pulls the valve diaphragm towards the valve nozzle in order to open up the fuel valve.
Different than the others.
lid. Pop that on there.
One eternity later.
Cool. Thank you very much for joining me as I fix my fuel tank. Until next time, ride safe.